guys, welcome to Aiden Science. Well, today we're going to make ice cream. So I got this for Christmas, and I got a digging kit, and that book is the digging book kit, and it has lots of info of fossil dinosaurs. So this is what I got, a T-Rex tooth. You have to be very careful with it. Never drop it. And I got, so there was like a chest one you could mine, like the one that you like can stab and water and stuff in, and then the chest that we mined it out, I destroyed it, and then I got gold out of there. Today we need a tablespoon, a quarter cup, a cup of milk,
whole milk,
and lots of ice, 2 Ziploc bags. I don't think we have enough room.
put them back in there.
Vanilla, white sugar, salt. So we put a big Ziploc into this big cup to make it easier to open. Just like pull it, and then all the ingredients will still be inside it. So first we need all of the milk for it. If you don't remember what we're making, you will see at the end, okay? And then we have to freeze it. Good. Okay, I think that will just be dripping.
That's fine.
There. Ice cubes now?
No, the vanilla.
Now we're putting in vanilla, all of it. Wait, that looks like chocolate for chocolate. But it's going to be vanilla ice cream.
Okay, now 3 tablespoons of sugar.
One. Whoa, that's all going inside. 2.
That's not full right now.
That's the same.
Uh-oh, it's fine.
3.
That's 2.
2. 3. And that will be yummy. Right?
Now close the bag.
Carefully lift it and then close it. Can you please close it, because I'm not good at closing Ziplocs. Wow. Now can I squish it?
Close the pan, there's your shake.
Okay. Like that. So I'm shaking it, and I think that's good. Just keep on squeezing it first.
Okay.
So we're going to put in ice first, all of it.
All of it.
Oopsies. Now we're going to clean this up. We're going to put salt in. You're going for a maze. And they're stuck down there.
What are we
doing? Why are they doing that? What will be the ice cream?
The ice cream mixture.
But not the...
Okay, now we do this.
Okay, for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. On the ground, you're out of chocolate.
So, we're going to take out the innerwear. All the ice cubes were just to freeze it. And this will be, okay. That is messy table. Now we're going to open it and now we're going to scoop out some ice cream. Oh, that looks so good! I can't wait to try this. That smells just like what we already make. That's so good. So good.
Good?
Adding salt to the ice, changing its freezing point, and it made all that water cold down here. Ciao. Cut. The super cold water pulls heat away from the milk, creating ice cream. Please like and subscribe. Give thumbs up. I'm a robot. Bye, guys. Bye. Have a great day. There we go, Aiden.